This is how our dining room table is currently set up. My husband loves it when the dining room table is set, and I've shared this before, but I told him right now I just really want to go simple. I'm in that less is more kind of mood, and I wanted to just take all of this stuff off the table. Not to mention that my table is glass, so it stays quite dusty because it's just quite a job to move everything off of this table, to clean it, and then put it back. But the times that I have done it, he has been so sweet to, he'll pretty much set it back up, but it's just taking too much right now. So we're getting ready to clean this off and go really, really simple. I told him maybe around the holidays we maybe kind of reset the table, but for right now I'm just really over it. So let's go really simple and see what that looks like. I know it's going to feel better because I don't have to remove all of this stuff to clean. The fun part of this for me too is most of, let's see, my plates and my stemware and these glasses here, they are all consignment items. So this right here, the large charger plate that's up under it, and this beautiful stemware. So consignment or either thrift store. But we're getting ready to pack it up. Now that everything is removed off the table, I'm going to give it a good clean. And you guys will probably hear dude number 2 in the background. He's upstairs with a friend, and I think they're looking at a basketball game or old game or something. Probably hear his mouth before long. And I didn't want to purchase anything new for the table, so I just went and pulled out something that I had. Going to give me a real simple look. I really love my glass table, but I don't always enjoy having to take everything off to get her clean. There he is. I told you you'd hear his mouth. He has no idea I'm filming a video either. But hey, it is what it is. What it is. He's at home enjoying himself. So. And while I'm at it, the glasses that I have right here on my matching stand, like to wipe them down as well. Give them a wipe down while I'm at it. And of course, whenever we use these glasses, I always give them a thorough wash with of course, dish soap and hot water. Now this stemware that I got from the consignment shop is so pretty. You see the little, like the gold wiring detail that's around the bottom of it. I thought it was so pretty. And now we're going to add my simple tablescape items to the table. We're going to keep it simple with just a placemat, some napkin rings, and these are actually the napkins that were inside of those glasses from the previous tablescape. And these are placemats that I've had, and if I remember correctly, I think when I purchased them originally, I think I got them from Target. And usually when I place my placemats down, I try to keep them at least maybe about 2 inches from the edge of the table. These napkins are pretty much already ready to go because again they were just stuffed down inside of the glasses. So I'm just going to slide this little gold ring. And what I liked about the gold rings was that it mimicked the pattern that's on the placemats. Told you guys we're going real simple. I also have one more piece that I'm going to add. This is another piece that I purchased from a consignment shop, and if I'm not mistaken, I was in, I think maybe the Charlotte or Huntersville area when I came across this, and I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to sit this beautiful bowl, is that not beautiful, in the middle of the table. Now, there was some history that the man gave me about this bowl, and I cannot remember exactly what he said. Let's see, I was looking for my cleaner to just kind of wipe it out a little bit. What I love about it is that it looks like a pearl, and it has that iridescent look on it. You guys, I pretty much love anything that is iridescent. I just love iridescent stuff. And this is the stand that goes with it. I'm just going to sit it here in the middle of the table. And place that there. Make sure it's centered on the table. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time.